Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome back. So this is the third video in the data structures and algorithms in Python course, the third part. Okay, so in this video we're going to discuss about the types of algorithm. Yes, not discussing that long, just a simple definitions for all the classifications, because we are in the future videos we will gonna study all the algorithms. So just explaining a little bit. Okay, so the first one is simple recursive algorithm, then the second one is divide and conquer algorithm, the third one is dynamic programming algorithms, the fourth one is greedy algorithm, the fifth one is brute force algorithm, the sixth one is randomized algorithm. So let's move on to the simple recursive algorithm. So many students know that the recursion, because a function calling itself. So what's happening is function is calling itself. The function is same function is within that function. Actually, it's very confusing. So simply what's going is we have a problem and we are dividing. We are splitting that into smaller problem. Actually, we have a big problem. Then the next step we're gonna reduce that problem into smaller problem. That like that we'll end up in a perfect solution. That's the recursive algorithm. So the next one is divide and conquer algorithm, and actually like definition, divide the problem into smaller sub problems of the same type and solve these sub problems recursively. So then combine the solutions to sub problems into a solution to the original problem. Actually it's a kind of recursion. Actually the first one was generally simple recursive algorithm, and this is also recursion, and the examples are quicksort and merge sort. So I'm not explaining a lot. We'll discuss the divide and conquer algorithm later. Okay, so the third type, the dynamic programming algorithms, actually they work on memoization. Memoization is an technique used in computer science to enhance the performance of recursive algorithm. The goal is to find the best solution. So we will study the dynamic programming algorithms in the future. Okay, we have all the things in this course, don't worry about that. So the next is greedy algorithm. So we just need to remember the name. Okay, actually we have a problem and we are dividing the problem into two sub problems, and then next we're gonna select the sub problem which is easily solvable. That's greediness. Okay, that's greediness, and all the sub problems are related to each other. So that's a greedy algorithm. So in the case of brute force algorithm, actually the term is very familiar. We have a plenty of text in a text file, and actually we're gonna try all the possibilities. Okay, in the case of in ethical hacking, there's one thing called Hydra or something like brute forcing software. So actually in Wi-Fi cracking also we have air crack, and we can upload a dictionary file, and we'll check all the possible passwords and find the correct one in that list. Okay, that's brute force. And in the case of randomized algorithms, we are using a random number at least once during the computation of to make a decision. So at least one time we'll use a random number to get the solution. So there's a randomized algorithm, and we'll discuss all these algorithms later. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.